It is much later than I usually record, and I'm in the kitchen of my Airbnb as I'm traveling across the country. And I felt called to come up on here right now, and there were a lot of energies, a lot of things that were just trying to stop me from getting this message out. So if you have come across this video, this message is definitely for you, especially if this is the first time that you're seeing me. My name is Melissa. Welcome if you're new. If you're returning, I'm glad to have you back. I'm being shown either you just took a step, you took a leap of faith, or you are about to. And what this is going to do is shift everything. You have Six of Wands coming out. And the Six of Wands is specifically about success and passion and triumph. And success and triumph over hard times specifically. So I'm hearing that there is a beautiful balance taking place and recalibration of the scales in your life. There is good karma being returned to you and in your favor. And this step that you had to take, or you're about to take, was not easy as you were weighing out your options on your moves and what is in alignment to do. And you had to really cultivate trust within yourself to really take this step. And what I'm being shown is, one, your entire team in spirit is just like, yes, you're doing it. You're doing it. Your entire team spirit is like, and then the energy is like so exciting right now. My goodness, your entire team spirit is like, yes, you're doing it. You're creating the world that you want to live in. And I know that this was not an easy step to take, or you're about to take, because of the trust, but you're doing it. Confirmation, bang. Ha ha ha. Hold on one second. Okay, bringing it back. What I'm also being shown is you are getting your spark back. Because you're trusting yourself, again, you're getting your spark back. And this is really a time to celebrate. You have Three of Cups coming out. This is really a time to celebrate yourself. I mean, Three of Cups and Six of Wands coming out. It's just like saying, like, celebrate who you are. I'm seeing peacocks in my mind's eye. My mind eye. See, I told you there were things trying to stop me from getting this message out. So like, you might have been having a hard time speaking lately, getting your words conveyed or your messages understood or to people, or you may have been having some like weird things happen in your relationship dynamics and stuff like that. Like there may have been weird external interferences coming into your life. Like they're showing me like there are things that were trying to distract you and pull you off of this path of success and triumph, of what you're being led down right now, this path that you're being led down, that you had to take this step, this leap of faith. It's just like, Spirit was just like, go on. You can literally just split the decks of this again. Spirit's like, go on really quickly because people need to hear this. But then as I was trying to record, there was such a weird energy. But it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter because this is your life. There's like so much energy here. This is your life. You get to decide how it goes. And as you're like, I feel like this step, like you had to weigh out your options. So like if you're at the point of like not knowing what step to take and you're like in between two, choose the one that feels best to you, that feels good to you. And this is your confirmation that you're in alignment. Don't do what you think you should do. Do what feels good. What lights you up is what they're saying. You've probably been having to deal with a lot of energetic interference and people projecting at you and people sending you weird energy and like just weird energy is what I'm picking up on right now. Roses, lavender, chamomile, the herbs. You're somebody who's very into the herbs. You're into the nature spirits, the elements, working with plants, working with the animals. They're saying it's like your confirmation to know that this is for you. I feel like if you made it this far in the video, it's definitely for you. Not everybody stays this long. They usually just click off at this point if it's not for them. But yeah, I feel like there's this weird energy. Like you had to defend yourself from people. You had to move yourself from situations and places that were no longer in alignment, that taught you a lot of painful lessons that are now leading you to some really beautiful, miraculous blessings. So take that step. Trust yourself. Chariot, move forward trusting yourself. it all changes from here is what I'm saying. It all changes from here. And in a good way. I'm just being shown the 10 of Cups. In a good way. The change is positive. Celebrate. You made it through the hard time, the success and the triumph over the hard time. You did it. So I take this leap of faith. Trust yourself. The entire quantum world around you is shifting because of this step you're taking. And your entire reality will be shifting as well this year. We have the fire year of the horse coming up on the 17th of February. Doesn't matter when you're watching this, regardless, within the next 2 weeks, things will be shifting in your life beautifully. And over the next year, it's going to pick up rapidly in your favor. Thank you, Spirit. Thank you, God. Thank you, angels, in your favor. And so it is. Nothing can stop you in the path that you're on and your destiny and what you're here to do. Celebrate yourself, celebrate your resiliency. We have the Chinese New Year, celebrate existence. And in general, even if it's not the Chinese New Year when you're watching this, just celebrate. You're being called to. Celebrate! Oh yeah! Okay. If you feel called to work with me deeper in a private session, mentorship, I have the Remembrance Mystery School to develop your spiritual gifts. I would be honored to hold that space and connect with you, to see you in class or to see you in private sessions. So I love connecting with all of you here. I love this work. I love what I do. And so thank you. Thank you for all your support. Thank you for all your comments, for all your love, everything you send me. Thank you for your tips. Thank you for your support. Just thank you for being you and being a part of this family. I love you all so, so much. I hope that this message served you well. And I will see you in the next aligned message for you. Goodbye for now.